Hi friends, I thought of another activity for you guys today. I made seasonal sticker racks, and for this activity I found some stickers in my house that had to do with all 4 seasons. Now this had to do with weather, activities that you may do during the seasons, and clothing. So if you don't have stickers, you can always draw on the rocks as well, but I had an idea that we could first organize the rocks according to each season. So for example, there's sunglasses. Now, usually we wear sunglasses in the summer, so I'm going to put that in our summer spot. And then, maybe a sun. That has to do with summer, right? So I'm going to put it in our summer box as well. And then here is a snowflake. So I'm going to put that in our winter. Ooh, hot chocolate. That's definitely a winter activity. A rainbow and clouds. I'm thinking spring. Ooh, a pumpkin. That's probably fall, right? So yeah, something simple like that. We can organize our rocks according to each season. And then I thought we could also use the rocks to make a story. So for example, let's see. There once was a little bear who is wearing sunglasses on a hot and sunny day, when all of a sudden a rain cloud appeared. It started raining, but soon a rainbow appeared. He took his kite and smelled the flowers. See, something simple and easy like that. So I hope you enjoyed this activity, and I will talk to you guys soon.